Hello friends! This video will be dedicated to Parkside 20V portable vacuum cleaner. The device comes in a small nice box. The model's name is PHSSA 20 Lithium A1. Suction power amounts to 3 kPa, which is Pascal. The container volume amounts to 0.65 liter. And also here we have the warning that battery and charger are not included. But though I have absolutely no Parkside devices, I have high capacity battery of it. This is PAP20A3, the capacity of which amounts to 4000 mAh. So this is non-standard double battery. And also here we have 4 attachments: crevice nozzle, wet nozzle, brush nozzle attachment, and universal nozzle attachment. Let's see them. This should be a very useful one. This is wet nozzle with the rubber here. This attachment should be very useful in automobiles. And this one should be very useful when you drill something and would like to use the vacuum cleaner at the same time. So it's really very necessary attachment for wall drilling. As to the dimensions and weight, 42 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 820 grams. As I've already mentioned, I have no standard battery, but with a double battery the total weight will amount to 1.5 kilograms. As to the device itself, here we have the filter. I have already checked it. So it's anyway washable. It has really good quality. This is plastic and this is rubber. Now this is the container itself. So also here we have the protector. As to its noise, now let's test it. Paper. Cardboard. It's also okay. Let's remove it. Nuts. The nuts are M5, by the way. Sawdust. Let's use a nozzle. And of course it's much better. As to this attachment, you should attach it this way. And finally, water. Nothing here. And it's really great. Let's check the filter. And the filter is even not wet. It's really good. I've seen almost all the reviews of this device on YouTube, but no one disassembled this device so far. So let's do it. What do we see inside of this device? Well, this part is too simple. A very standard motor. RS550 DC 20 volts. Standard button. And also the electronics. Well, this one is not so simple. Plus, minus, and temperature sensor. As to this side, you can see it. We have two transistors and some other components. So this board should have protection anyway. But also I would like to check the power consumption of this device. Hope it will not be too dangerous. So approximately 6 amps with no load. I really didn't expect so high power consumption in such conditions. So in case of the assembled device and applying the load, the power consumption should definitely increase. And finally, about the conclusions. The device is small, it's more or less lightweight, especially if you use 2 amp hour battery. It operates on 20 volts, but unfortunately I have no 12 volt Bosch vacuum cleaner and there is no possibility to compare 20 volt device with the 12 volt one. The device comes with 4 attachments in total, which are really very useful. I can't say that battery and charger absence is really the disadvantage of this device, because in case you decide to purchase this vacuum cleaner, you should know about it. The only disadvantage I can mention is the volume of the container. However, for such portable device, it should be absolutely normal. Hope you learned something interesting from this review. Thanks for watching. Wish you good luck.